everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. List the employees working in same city. Here we have employee table and we have a city column. Here we need to compare rows with other rows in the same table. To get this, we will use self-join concept, which allows you to join a table to itself by assigning a different name E1 and E2 to table employee. So let's see the practical. Here we have employee table where we have a column of employee ID, name, department, city, salary. We are joining employee table to itself by assigning different name E1 and E2. So select E1.emp ID, E1.emp name, E1.emp city from employee as E1, employee as E2, where E1.employee ID not equal to E2.employee ID and E1.employee city is equal to E2.employee city. So we want to fetch records where ID is not equal but their city should match. Here 1 will not compare with the 1 because ID, we have placed the condition that ID should not be equal. Then 1 is compared with the 2 and the city is compared. It is not match, it is different. Then 1 is compared with the 3, city is different. Then 1 is compared with the 4, city is different. Then 1 is compared with the 5. Now the city is same, Mumbai, Mumbai. Then the 1 is compared with the 6, MP, city is not same. So only EMP ID 1 and 5 have the same city, Mumbai. So at the output we should get 1 and 5. So here we got records 1 and 5 where the city is same, Mumbai. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.